Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Solana from your Ledger Nano X to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay secure while managing your assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet, the Solana app installed on it, and your Phantom wallet set up on your device. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Head to the Ledger Live app if you need to update. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and enter your PIN to unlock it. Once unlocked, open the Solana app on your device. This step is key for secure interaction. Step 2. Launch your Phantom wallet extension or app on your browser. Make sure you're logged in and your wallet is connected to the Solana network. Step 3. In Phantom, go to the Receive or Deposit section to generate a new address. Copy this address carefully. It's where your Solana will go. Step 4. Back on your Ledger, navigate to the Solana app and select the option to send or withdraw funds. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, then paste the Phantom address you copied. Step 5. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen for accuracy. Confirm the transaction by pressing the buttons on your device. This adds an extra layer of security. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process on the Solana blockchain. This usually takes a minute or two, but keep an eye on network fees and congestion. A quick tip: always verify addresses to avoid scams, and never share your seed phrases. If you run into issues, check the official Ledger or Phantom support pages. There you have it. That's how you safely withdraw Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Phantom in 2025. Give it a try, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.